The video of a traffic stop that spun out of control near Taos was shocking. A state police officer shooting at a minivan with a mother and her 5 children inside. 7 years later, a lawsuit against the state police is still brewing in court and may finally now go to trial. Here's News 13's Chris McKee.
Nobody is held accountable.
At a time when protesters are scrutinizing police use of force. Brianna Farrell's 2013 traffic stop turned state police shooting may be just as relevant now as it was 7 years ago.
You're doing 71 back there on a 55, okay?
On a highway outside of Taos, state police dash camera video showed an officer stop Farrell for speeding in her minivan with 5 kids inside. When Farrell wouldn't decide if she wanted to pay the ticket or go to court, she drove off. The then rookie state cop pulled Farrell over again and tried to arrest her when her kids intervened. The officer eventually pulled a taser on one of the kids, then bashed out the van's windows as another state cop arrived and fired 3 shots at the minivan's tires.
And you're willing to participate in that process?
I am.
Criminal charges against Farrell were eventually dismissed after she satisfied the conditions of a plea deal.
Do you think this will be a good outcome or an end to this whole thing?
No comment at this time. Thank you.
But a long-standing civil lawsuit Farrell filed against state police has not been settled.
Have you all reached an agreement regarding a trial setting?
Attorneys have now set a new trial date in state court in Santa Fe after the civil rights case moved in and out of federal court over the last 5 years.
It's likely not going to be in 2020, and we discussed either 2021 or 2022.
The judge set a trial for February 2022, 8.5 years after the infamous traffic stop. Farrell's attorney tells News 13, like any civil case, there's always a chance they could settle, but they are prepared to fight it out in court. Chris McKee, KRQE News 13.
Tony DeTavis, the officer who initially pulled over Farrell and shattered her windows with a baton, is still on the force with New Mexico State Police. The officer who shot at the van, Elias Montoya, left state police after that incident and now works for the Taos County Sheriff's Office.